Against the champions in Section 8 with a record of 22-5-1, the Wolverine Warriors. Now, let's meet the Lightning. Junior goalie number 1, Sam Suya. Junior goalie number 2, Leyland Petterhagen. Sophomore goalie number 3, Tristan Sular. Junior defenseman number 4, Tyler Ricklaw. Junior defenseman number 5, Derek Berg. Sophomore defenseman number 8, Max Rochelle. Sophomore forward number 9, Lucas Martin. Senior forward number 11, Sutton Sullivan. Junior defenseman number 12, Bodie Nybakken. Senior forward number 14, Jacob Peterson. Sophomore defenseman number 15, Eli McNevin. Junior forward number 16, Josiah Ryer. Senior defenseman number 19, Leighton Cable. Junior forward number 22, Buck Flowers. Junior forward number 23, Landon Harvey. Junior forward number 26, Griffin Hanna. Junior forward number 29, Parker Fulton. Senior goalie number 30, David John. Junior defenseman number 36, Nolan Hall. And senior forward number 37, Colton Rye. The assistant coach is Brett Reed, head coach Thomas Klein. Now let's meet the Warriors. Senior goalie number 1, Patrick Kennedy. Junior defenseman number 2, Wesley Schreiner. Active forward number 5, Roderick Jackson. Junior forward number 7, Gavin Anderson. Junior forward number 8, Parker Rose. Senior defenseman number 9, Sam Hard. Senior forward number 11, Taylor Hubenek. Junior forward number 12, Wyatt Samuelson. Senior forward number 13, Casey Hendrickson. Senior defenseman number 14, Thomas Rapetine. Sophomore forward number 18, Maddox Cole. Senior forward number 20, Mooney Chavez. Senior defenseman number 21, Broden Honda. Ninth grade defenseman number 22, Eamon Honda. Senior forward number 24, Mason Reed. Sophomore forward number 25, Connor Lund. Junior defenseman number 27, Ryan Lee. Junior forward number 28, Grayson Gento. Senior forward number 29, Ryan Timmerman. And sophomore goalie number 35, Katie Eckley. The assistant coaches are Tom Shelby, Ben Smisha, head coach Jay Hardwick. Here tonight's game officials on the line, Joe Bennett, Bryce Wall, your referees are Robert Erickson and Joe Harris.